Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to monetize Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then go to settings and activity. Scroll to the for professional section and tap account type and tools. Then select switch to professional account. Choose whether you're a creator or a business and follow the setup steps. This unlocks monetization features. Once you've switched, you'll see a professional dashboard on your profile. Then tap it, then press the gear icon in the top right. From there, tap monetization status. If you're eligible, you'll see options like branded content to help you start working with brands. Back in professional dashboard and go to tools and select branded content. In here you can able uh, branded content tools and review the requirements to maintain eligibility. Once enabled, you can accept brand partnerships and collaborate with sponsors. When posting sponsored content, tap more options at the bottom, then select partnership label and ads. Add the brand's label to make your partnership official and compliant. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.